Hello and welcome to English Speaking Practice. In this video, we will be looking at ways to make your English speaking polite. Please read with me. If you can speak the words as you read, you will be able to learn much more quickly. Don't forget to pause the video if you need more time, and you can watch the video as many times as you like in order to get more practice. Okay, let's begin. Being polite in English is very easy. It is very simple to make our spoken and written English polite. We do not need to change our language depending on who we are talking to. We can use the same polite words for family, friends, co-workers, customers, our bosses, and our elders. We only need to remember three things: please, thanks, and thank you. So, let's start with please. We use please when we want to request or ask for something. Can I please get a glass of water? Would you please help me? Can I please get a glass of water? Would you please help me? We can start with please before making our statement. Please, can I get a glass of water? Please sit down, the film is going to start. Please, can I get a glass of water? Please sit down, the film is going to start. But we can also use please after our request. This will make a request polite that wasn't polite before we added the word please. I want a cup of coffee. This request is not polite, so just add please. I want a cup of coffee, please. I want a cup of coffee, please. This request is now polite. You can make this request even more polite by saying that you would like instead of want. I would like a cup of coffee, please. I would like a cup of coffee, please. That is as polite as you can possibly be. If someone offers us a choice, we can use please to make our reply polite. Would you like coffee, orange juice, or tea? Coffee, please. Would you like coffee, orange juice, or tea? Coffee, please. If there is only one choice offered, would you like tea? Yes, please. Would you like tea? Yes, please. This is the polite way to reply. Sometimes in this situation, you will hear people using the word please on its own without the yes. Would you like some tea? Please. Would you like some tea? Please. Now let's have a look at thanks and thank you. Thank you is sometimes written as thank you or one word, but it should be written as two words. This only applies to written English. In spoken English, it's all the same. Thanks are a way of showing that we are pleased and happy that someone has done something for us or has given us or brought us something. We thank them for their service, for their help, or for their gifts. Thanks are most often given after we have received something, but thanks can also be given in advance of receiving, as we shall see in the examples. As with please, we can use thanks or thank you at the beginning or end of our statement. Thanks for bringing me the bottle of juice. I got the bottle of juice. Thanks. Thanks for bringing me the bottle of juice. I got the bottle of juice. Thanks. We can use thanks and thank you when someone gives us something or when they complete a request we make. Can I have a glass of juice, please? Then someone gives us the glass of juice. Thanks for the glass of juice. Can I have a glass of juice, please? Thanks for the glass of juice. Or, to make it more simple, but still polite, we can answer with just thanks or thank you. So just remember that when anyone brings us something, gives us something, or passes us something, we say thanks or thank you. It doesn't matter who they are, we always thank them in order to be polite. We can also say thanks if someone is thinking about us or caring for us. For example, how are you today? I'm fine, thanks. Did you do okay in the test last week? I did. Thanks for asking. How are you today? I'm fine, thanks. Did you do okay in the test last week? I did. Thanks for asking. Always remember to add the thanks or thank you to the end of your reply to make your reply polite. Sometimes we can use thanks even before we have received. This is more common in written English. I eagerly await your reply. Thanks in advance. I am excited to order this item from your company. Thank you in advance. I eagerly await your reply. Thanks in advance. I am excited to order this item from your company. Thank you in advance. We can also stress the thanks if we want to make it a bigger thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Many thanks to you and your team. A very many thanks to you all. Thank you so much. Thank you so very much. Many thanks to you and your team. A very many thanks to you all. So there you have it, a simple summary of building politeness into your speaking and writing by using please and thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching, listening, and speaking. Bye-bye.